എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമുക്ക് മലയാളത്തിൽ എങ്ങനെ ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ ചോദിക്കാം എന്നതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് പഠിക്കാം. ഇതുവരെയുള്ള ക്ലാസ്സുകളിൽ നമ്മൾ കുറേ മലയാള ചോദ്യപദങ്ങൾ പഠിച്ചു. അത് ഏതൊക്കെ കോണ്ടെക്സ്റ്റിൽ നമുക്ക് ഉപയോഗിക്കാമെന്നത് നമുക്ക് ഒന്ന് റീവൈൻഡ് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ നമുക്ക് WH ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉള്ളതുപോലെ തന്നെ മലയാളത്തിൽ A ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് those question words which are starting with the letter A. ഉദാഹരണത്തിന് എന്ത്, ഏത്, എത്ര, എപ്പോൾ, എങ്ങനെ, എന്ന് etc. These questions we can directly use as question words. എന്ത് means what. It is a direct question word. The word etra, which means how much or how many in English, it is used to ask about the quantity, amount or degree. Etra is the direct question word. For example, നിനക്ക് എത്ര പുസ്തകങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ട്? How many books do you have? ഇപ്പോൾ സമയം എത്രയായി? What is the time now? നാളെ എത്ര പേർ വരും? How many people will come tomorrow? Using the direct question words, we can make questions like നിങ്ങളുടെ പേരെന്ത്, which means what is your name. നിങ്ങളുടെ നാട് ഏത് means which is your native place. നിങ്ങളുടെ വയസ്സ് എത്ര, how old are you. These question words can conjoin with the be verb ആണ് and we can create another type of questions. But it will not show any meaning difference. Here, നിങ്ങളുടെ പേര് എന്താണ്, നിങ്ങളുടെ പേര് എന്ത് and നിങ്ങളുടെ പേര് എന്താണ്, both are having the same meaning. What is your name? Likewise, നിങ്ങളുടെ നാട് ഏത് and നിങ്ങളുടെ നാട് ഏതാണ്, both are having the same meaning, which is your native place. Then, നിങ്ങളുടെ വയസ്സ് എത്രയാണ്, how old are you. The next sentence is നിങ്ങളുടെ അച്ഛൻ്റെ പേര് എന്താണ്, what is your father's name. If we are asking നിങ്ങളുടെ അച്ഛൻ്റെ പേര് എന്ത് and എന്താണ്, both are the same meaning, but we can construct in two types. With the addition of ആണ് and without the ആണ് also we can create the question. Then നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്വദേശം ഏതാണ്, which means which is your native place. These all are the examples of question word with the ആണ് combinations. The word എപ്പോഴാണ്, it is commonly used to ask about the timing of an event, action or occurrence. എപ്പോഴാണ് പരീക്ഷ. The same question we can ask in another way. പരീക്ഷ എപ്പോഴാണ് means when is the exam. Then എപ്പോഴാണ് നീ വരുന്നത്. Likewise, the same question we can use in another way. നീ വരുന്നത് എപ്പോഴാണ്, which means when are you coming. Then എപ്പോഴാണ് നിന്റെ വിവാഹം, നിന്റെ വിവാഹം എപ്പോഴാണ്. Likewise also we can ask the question. Here is no meaning difference will occur. Here we can create two types of constructions to make questions, but meaning is same. The be verb ആണ് takes the marker O to the word final and make question words. The word ആണ് merge with the question word marker O and becomes ആണോ. ആണ് becomes ആണോ. Example, the word മകൾ which combines with the word ആണോ and results മകളാണോ. Is it daughter? Then another type of question formation is also possible. The question word with be verb combination can occur at the beginning of the sentence. For example, എന്താണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ പേര് means what is your name. ഏതാണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ നാട്, which means which is your native place. എത്രയാണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ വയസ്സ്, how old are you. If the question word occur at the beginning or end of the sentence, meaning will be same. Then another question word is ആര്. This question word we can use directly. Who are you? നിങ്ങൾ ആരാണ്. And conjoin with the be verb also we can use. നീ ആര്, നിങ്ങൾ ആരാണ്. The question who are you we can express the following way. നീ ആര്, നിങ്ങൾ ആരാണ്, ആരാണ് നിങ്ങൾ. Here question word are will occur at the end. It will added with the form aanu, and this aanu will occur at the beginning also. These three types of formation is possible in Malayalam, but meaning is who are you. These examples are conveying the same meanings. The another form is undu. It is added with the direct question word like yendu, engane, etc. and make questions. Example, endundu vishesham, enganeyundu jeevitham. These all are the examples for undu combination. One more construction is possible. The question words will occur at the sentence final. Vishesham endundu, jeevitham enganeyundu. Then the question word suffix o and a occur at the word final and make questions. It can be joined with direct question words, verbs and the question words which are attached with aanu and undu. Example, ninakku paniyano, do you have fever? Ninakku paniyundo. Here also the same meaning. Do you have fever? Avan chadiyanano, does he is a cheater? Avan varumo, does he come? Eniki oru glass paal tarumo, may I get one glass of milk? Aval vittilundo means she is at home. These question words are combined with aanu and become a single question word. The question word edu, which means which, it will join with the word aanu and forms edanu. Here the direct question word edu, which is combined with aanu and a new question word edanu is formed. Likewise, here aru means who, aaranu means who it is. Then the word aarudedu, which means the end of the question word aru, the possessive form ude and neuter marker adu is added. Then be verb aanu also attached at the word final. See the example structure. Aru plus ude plus thu plus aanu, which forms aarudedanu. The English meaning of the word aarudedanu means whose. Malayalam have some tag questions. The forms like alle and ille, which are attached with the word final and makes a confirmation or clarity. Along with the form yennu, the form alla, aanu, ille are coming. Then the word alle, it is a question tag that is similar to isn't it or right in English. It is used to confirm or seek affirmation of something. For example, nee varille, amma veettilille, adalle ninde veedu, ningal bharatiyaralle, ninde peru Mohan ennano. The A marker is used with negative form and negative question word is formed. The usage of alle is a type of tag questions in Malayalam. While pronouncing this alle shows an emphatic stress. The Malayalam word allo, which means no or isn't it. So, allo can be used as a way to seek confirmation. Example, nee varillallo. The word allo is attached at the be verb aanu and the word form aanallo. For example, bus vannillallo. Here it is seeking the confirmation. Aanallo is the combination of be verb aanu and allo forms. The form I, which is also attached with the direct question words and make questions. For example, samayam etrayayi means what is the time now. Poya karyam endayi. Then another two forms are venam and venda, which means want and don't want. For using these words also, we can create some questions. Ningalku endu venam means what you want. Then using the question word marker O, the word final, and we can make another type of construction. Example, ningalku chaya veno, do you want tea? Ayalku pusthagam veno, does he want a book? Ninakku thamasikkan veedu veno means do you want a home to stay? With the question word A, we can create questions like this. Example, ninakku oonu vende, you don't want lunch. Avanu കളിപ്പാട്ടം വേണ്ടേ? Does he want toys? Like this, using the word വേണം and വേണ്ട, we can ask our needs and others too. Then another two forms are there, മതി and പോരാ. These two forms also will use for asking questions. The question word marker O and A can join with these two forms and make another questions. Example, നിനക്ക് ചോറ് മതിയോ? Is rice is sufficient for you? നിനക്ക് ചോറ് പോരെ? Is rice is not sufficient for you? നിനക്ക് ചിക്കൻ മതിയോ? Is chicken is sufficient for you? The marker O is the question word marker. It is implying that the speaker is seeking confirmation or asking about an experience. The question word marker O is attached with the be verb ആണ് and becomes ആണോ. The word ആണോ is attached with the word ഇത് and അത് and forms ഇതാണോ and അതാണോ, which means is this in English. It is a question word used to confirm or inquire about something that is being pointed or referred to. Then O is added with some other words and functions as question words. Example, ഗംഭീരമായിരുന്നോ means was it magnificent or was it wonderful in English. നന്നായിരുന്നോ means was it good. വന്നിരുന്നോ was he come. Like that. For asking any queries regarding anything, you can use these structures. Related to daily life, we can use these question words like എന്താ, എന്താണ്, എപ്പോൾ, എപ്പോഴാണ്, ഏത്, ഏതാണ്, എത്ര, എത്രയാണ്, എങ്ങോട്ട്, എങ്ങോട്ടാണ്, എങ്ങനെ, എങ്ങനെയാണ്, ആണോ, വേണോ, വേണ്ടേ, etc. are the most frequent question words using for daily lives. The forms like ആണോ, അല്ലേ, ഉണ്ടോ, ഇല്ലേ, മതിയോ, പോരെ, etc. we can add with any kind of word and make questions. The suffix o, a, alle, ille, etc. can be used for making tag questions in Malayalam. So, dear learners, just try to make some questions using these question words and do practice. Some question words and its meaning I will give now. എന്ത്, എന്താ, എന്താണ്. These three words have the same meaning, which means what. എപ്പോൾ, എപ്പോഴാണ്. These two words have the same meaning, when. Then ഏത്, ഏതാണ് means which. എന്ന്, എന്നാണ്. These two forms have the same meaning, when. എങ്ങോട്ട്, എങ്ങോട്ടാണ്. These are having the meaning, where. എങ്ങനെ, എങ്ങനെയാണ് which means how. Then ആണോ, ഉണ്ടോ, അല്ലേ, അല്ലോ. These are gives meaning of isn't it. It can be attached with any word and make questions. So these are the basic question words in Malayalam. Dear learners, you just try to collect some more words and make some sentences and try to use in your life situations. Then do more practicing. So today's class I can wind up here. See you on next class. Thank you.